Hi guys, thanks for watching. This is Julie, and today we are going to try this cool cucumber salad. That's not what it's called, just cucumber salad. I don't know what it's supposed to be called, but my coworker last week told me about this recipe. That's one of her favorite things to make in the summer when she has her fresh vegetables from her garden. And I thought that sounds fabulous. And so she just kind of told me the recipe and sort of, little of this, little of that, splash of this. So I kind of wrote it all down and I tried it out, and it turned out really good. I am so surprised that I have never had a cucumber salad like this before. And so, we just slice up super thin, slice up the cucumbers and the onion really thin. And then we're going to chop the tomatoes in a second to more like chunks. And um, she kind of just told me, then splash some red wine vinegar on there, maybe some more if it's not tangy enough, whatever. So um, we'll do that down the line. But I kind of turned up the speed when I'm doing the slicing. And if you like that, comment in the description, comment down below that if you like this chopping part sped up. Kind of torn on if I should cut it out completely and just pre-chop the stuff or if I should chop it on camera. But I'm a visual, so I like to see that stuff. And so here we got everything all chopped up. And then in hindsight, I would have put it in a bigger bowl because then I could just really, rough it up in a big bowl and then just pour it out into a smaller bowl when I'm done. But, you know, um, I think that would have separated the vegetables from each other a little bit better. And so I decided here a little more red wine vinegar in there. This is the first time I've ever used red wine vinegar, by the way. So, and then some olive oil. That was nice, kind of balanced out the tanginess of the vinegar. And then we have salt. And this is just to your taste. So you just kind of taste it and do more or less of what you want. And then pepper. And this is my fancy sugar shaker. I love this thing. Makes me feel like I'm in a restaurant. A sugar and a sugar shaker. I have a cinnamon sugar shaker too. So then eventually I was just like, I'm just going to mix this up with my bare hands. And that worked best. And so you can see there's a puddle of it down there. So I'm just swishing it all through that. And then after that, you chill it in the refrigerator for about an hour or so. But I tasted it right away because I'm impatient. And it was really good. And so I hope you give it a try. And I really liked it a lot. So thanks for watching.